Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Defender AWD arrives like a statement piece on wheels, blending raw off-road heritage with futuristic luxury in a way that feels almost rebellious in a world full of soft crossovers. The moment you see it, the presence is unmistakable. It still carries that iconic boxy silhouette everyone loves, but now the surfaces are sharper, the lighting is slimmer, and the stance feels wider and more planted than ever. This isn't just an SUV you drive, it's an SUV that announces your arrival before the engine even starts. The new signature LED light bar stretching across the front and rear gives it a bold modern identity, while the redesigned grille and sculpted bumpers make it look tougher and more premium at the same time. Every angle feels purposeful, from the short overhangs that hint at serious off-road capability to the massive wheels that fill the arches perfectly. Step inside and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The cabin feels like a luxury lounge designed for adventure. Soft sustainable leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and illuminated panels create a balance between rugged durability and high-end elegance. The massive curved infotainment display floats across the dashboard like a piece of modern art, paired with a fully digital driver display that feels incredibly sharp and responsive. The interface is faster, smarter, and now powered by an advanced AI system that learns your driving habits, adjusts climate and seating automatically, and even suggests routes based on real-time conditions. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin in customizable themes, turning night drives into an experience rather than just a commute. Under the hood is where the 2026 Defender AWD truly earns its super premium badge. Multiple powertrains are expected, including a refined turbocharged mild hybrid setup and a powerful plug-in hybrid option that delivers instant torque and impressive efficiency. Acceleration feels surprisingly quick for such a capable off-roader, launching with confidence while staying smooth and composed. The new adaptive air suspension constantly reads the road and terrain, adjusting ride height and damping in milliseconds. On highways it glides quietly and effortlessly, isolating you from wind and road noise. But once the pavement ends, the Defender transforms into a completely different beast. The advanced all-wheel drive system is smarter than ever, capable of analyzing terrain in real time and adjusting traction, throttle response, and suspension settings before you even realize conditions have changed. Whether it's deep sand, rocky trails, mud, or snow, the Defender feels unstoppable. Cameras placed around the vehicle provide a transparent hood view, letting you see obstacles beneath the front wheels as if the body were invisible. It's technology designed to make extreme adventures feel accessible and safe, even for drivers who are new to off-roading. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed for capability either. The seats are larger and more supportive, offering heating, cooling, and massage functions for long journeys. Rear passengers enjoy expanded legroom and their own entertainment screens, while the optional panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light. The premium sound system transforms the interior into a concert hall, delivering deep bass and crystal clear vocals that make every playlist sound incredible. Even the cargo area is smarter, with adjustable storage solutions and durable materials designed to handle everything from luggage to camping gear. Safety is another area where the 2026 Defender pushes forward. The latest driver assistance suite includes advanced highway autopilot, adaptive cruise control that learns traffic patterns, automatic emergency steering, and a new off-road assistance mode that guides you through difficult trails step by step. It's like having a co-pilot constantly watching out for you, whether you're navigating busy city streets or remote mountain paths. What makes the Defender truly special is the personality it carries. It doesn't try to be the fastest SUV or the most luxurious in the traditional sense. Instead, it combines both worlds into something unique. It's equally at home pulling up to a 5-star hotel or climbing a rocky hillside miles away from civilization. That duality is what makes it so compelling. It speaks to people who want comfort without losing the spirit of adventure. The 2026 Defender AWD feels like the ultimate evolution of a legend. It respects its heritage while embracing the future, delivering cutting-edge technology, serious off-road capability, and a level of luxury that rivals flagship SUVs. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement for those who refuse to choose between elegance and exploration. If you've ever wanted a vehicle that can handle the wild and still look perfectly at home in the city, this might be the one that finally checks every box. We'll see you next video.